Hello everyone, I am Ashwini Saurabh Mehtras. This is my second video lecture for BSc first year students for the paper Descriptive Statistics. I have covered the first 3 points of first unit, Introduction to Statistics, and in this video I am going to teach you statistical organizations in India and their functions. The next point, statistical heritage, will be covered in my next video lecture. So, there are many statistical organizations in India. Mughal emperors, Britishers set some statistical system in India. After independence, according to Constitution of India, the central government modified the systems. The first organization is Central Statistical Office, that is CSO. Central government has established a Central Statistical Office for coordination of statistical organization within the states. This was set in May 1951. CSO works under the Cabinet Secretariat. CSO was established with the view of laying down the standards in the statistical fields, coordination of statistical activities at the center and in the states, maintaining liaison in statistical matters with international agencies, and playing an adversary role in statistical matters. CSO is a government agency in India under the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation. It has a well equipped graphical unit. The CSO is located in Delhi. Some portion of industrial statistics works pertaining to annual survey of industries is carried out in Kolkata. CSO functions through number of divisions such as Industrial Statistical Wing, Analytical Division, National Sample Survey Division, National Income Division and Population Division, etc. CSO bring out number of publication. Few important publications are Monthly Abstract Statistics, Monthly Statistic of the Production of the Selected Industries of India, Statistical Pocket Book of the Indian Union, Statistical Abstract of India, and Annual Survey of Industries. The next organization in India is National Sample Survey Organization, that is NSSO. It was set under the guidance of P.C. Mahalanobis. He was the Indian statistician, and it was reorganized in 1970 under the name National Sample Survey Office. All the aspects of survey were considered together to form NSSO. It functions under the Department of Statistics. It is headed by Chief Executive Officer. It functions through 4 divisions: survey design and research, field operations, data processing, and coordination and publications. NSSO is a unique setup to carry out surveys on socio-economic, demographic, agricultural, and industrial subjects for collecting data from households and from enterprises located in villages and in the towns. It has about 170 offices throughout the country. The activities of NSSO are guided by Governing Council. The NSSO Field Operation Division, that is FOD, is situated at Akurdi. NSSO is the organization under the Ministry of Statistics of the Government of India. The main functions of Directorate of NSSO are as follows. They are data collection for estimation of national income, for the activities of Planning Commission, for the activities of various ministries, collection of socio-economic and demographic data. Then NSSO collects data regarding prices, wages, consumption, production, agricultural, etc. NSSO conducts sample surveys in the registered industrial sectors. It provides guidelines to the various states and does the job of supervision for conducting the various surveys. Further, CSO helps NSSO in designing and tabulation, in fixing priorities and in coordination, whereas ISI, that is Indian Statistical Institute, helps in preparing designs, programming, processing of information, analysis, report writing, etc. State government participate in the programs of NSSO which are common interest to both. This is the logo of NSSO, and one and many surveys are done by NSSO. This is for example I have taken, that is our Prime Minister, our Prime Minister Honorable Narendra Modi is requesting to participate in the NSSO survey and contribute in the development of the nation. The information provided by the individual household shall be kept in confidential. Then this is another example. I have taken it from photo gallery of NSSO, that is NSS 75th round, and this is one survey to gather basic quantitative information on the health sector on. So this is for just example. Further, government is planning to combine NSSO and CSO. Next, the Indian Statistical Institute is one of the biggest institute and one of the biggest organization of India for statistics. The ISI is at Calcutta, was set up on 28th April 1932 by P.C. Mahalanobis. In the year 1959, the Indian Parliament passed an act, and accordingly ISI is treated as an institute of national importance. Moreover, it is authorized to confer degrees and diplomas like any university. The main functions of ISI are as follows. They are to carry out research qualifying high standards, to provide training and to conduct statistical projects, to provide technical and computational assistance to NSSO. Further, ISI runs many courses such as Bachelor of Statistics, Master of Statistics, that is BStat, MStat courses with various specializations such as SQC, Operation Research, Demography, Probability, Econometrics, etc. Besides this, PhD and research activities in various branches of statistics and allied subjects are conducted by ISI. ISI is a public research university. This institute is situated in Kolkata, that is in West Bengal, and additionally there are 4 centers located in Delhi, Bangalore, Chennai and Tezpur. ISI is devoted to research and teaching and the applications of statistics in the natural and social sciences. Teaching activities are undertaken mainly in Kolkata, Delhi and Bangalore offices of the institute, and are located in several other cities in India, are primarily engaged in projects and consulting in SQC, that is Statistical Quality Control, and Operation Research. ISI is a world renowned institute for its high standards research in statistics and training. The Sankhya is regular publication of ISI. This is the taken from photo gallery. This is Indian Statistical Institute at Kolkata and Chennai. These are some photos. Next, the next organization is Indian Institute for Population Sciences, that is IIPS. It is known as Demographic Training and Research Center, was established at Mumbai in July 1956 to serve as the regional center for training and research in population studies for the countries of Asia and Pacific region. It was renamed as Indian Institute for Population Studies in April 1971 and was redesignated to its present title in March 1984 of facilitate expansion of its academic activities. The institution offers following regular teaching programs: Diploma in Population Studies, Master of Population Studies, Master of Philosophy, Doctor of Philosophy, Diploma in Health Promotion Training and Research Center, Mumbai. This is from photo gallery of International Institute for Population Sciences, and we can see that the count of population for the date 27th April 27th January 2020 is this, and they are recently updating these population count. Thank you.